Shopify Payouts. Link your bank account and get paid. 2025 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account to Shopify and start receiving payouts step by step. If you're running a Shopify store and not getting paid yet, this video will fix that. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings at the bottom left corner. From there, click on Payments. Now, under Shopify Payments, click on Complete Account Setup or Manage, depending on what you see. Here, Shopify will ask you to enter your business and personal details. Make sure everything is accurate because this information is used to verify your identity and process your payments. Next, scroll down to the Banking Information section. This is where you'll link your bank account. Enter your account holder name, bank name, and your IBAN or account number depending on your country. Double-check all the details to avoid any payout delays. Once everything is filled in, click on Save. Now, your bank account is successfully connected. After that, Shopify will start sending payouts automatically based on your payout schedule. To check your payouts, go back to Settings, then click on Payments and open the Payouts section. Here, you can see all your upcoming and completed payments. Quick tip: payout times can vary depending on your country, but usually it takes a few business days after a sale is made. And that's it. You're now ready to receive payments directly into your bank account from Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.